Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mike here for you with another Shisha tobacco review. Tonight I've got Hookafina Vanilla Ice. Ice baby. Word to your mother. Alright guys, Hookafina Vanilla Ice, courtesy of the good folks at hookah-shisha.com. So as always, a huge thanks to everyone over there. But moving right along, vanilla mint, always been one of my favorite combos. I use vanilla and mint on its own in various mixes, so always been a favorite. Decided to go ahead and pick this one up. So that in mind, the smell. First and foremost, I'm getting the mint. The mint is definitely overpowering the vanilla. It's not too sweet, but it does have a little bit of a sweetness to it. I'm going to have to say it's more along the lines of a peppermint. It does remind me of Hookafina peppermint. And then just off in the tail end, it's got that little trace of vanilla. So the cut, it's your typical Hookafina stuff, kind of a small to medium shredded leaf, rather juicy, a little bit of stems, and a nice undyed natural color to it. So I've been going quite a while, about 50 minutes or so, using my Shisha Drago, water in the base, apple on top bowl with 3 Prestige cocoa cubes, and my dream hose. See what we have. As you see, wonderful clouds. Always going to be the case with Hookafina. As far as the flavor strength, it is a rather bold flavor. Definitely getting the mint first and foremost. It's a nice cooling mint. It's not over the top strong, but you definitely feel it in your lungs, in your throat. Opens up your nostrils a little bit. So as far as the flavor strength, I'll give this about a 7.5 out of a 10. But as I said, with the flavor overall, definitely the mint is the first and foremost thing that I'm getting. More of a peppermint, not too sweet. It's actually a very enjoyable mint. The vanilla is off in the background. It starts to come through on the exhale. You get the cooling on the exhale, then you get the mint, and then just right at that tail end is that vanilla. Personally, I would like to see more vanilla. I kind of feel that if the name vanilla wasn't in the actual name, it would be hard to notice that vanilla. But otherwise, it is an enjoyable smoke. I really do like the outcome of the mixture. I just wish that the vanilla was a little bit more prominent in this. Otherwise, it's a very great flavor. It would be a very nice summertime or warm weather flavor. As far as the longevity goes, as I said, I'm very far into the session now. I've smoked it a few times, and it does go into the second round of cools. So the longevity, not too many complaints there. Once you get so far into it though, the mint kind of dies down and the vanilla is a little bit more noticeable, but it still could use a little bit more of a boost with the vanilla. Heat management, I haven't had any issues there, so I can't complain on that. So overall, my final rating, I'll give this a 7 out of a 10, based strictly on the accuracy. As I said, if it had a little bit more vanilla into it, then I'd probably give it a higher score. But otherwise, it's still a flavor that I really enjoy. I like the mint. So it's definitely a flavor that I would smoke quite often and that I would pick up from time to time. So that's about all I have for it, folks. You can find it at hookah-shisha.com. I'll put a direct link in the description below. Don't forget to use my code for 15% off your order. Everyone out there, thanks for watching. If you can, please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, smoke on.